Hello, everyone. I'm in Chicago with my buddy Roger Lurie here in the Bowmanville neighborhood. Roger is building this beautiful three-story house behind us here, and we're touring the place today and taking a look at recent construction designs and developments here in Chicago. Roger, you want to tell us a little about your house?
Uh, this is a great house here. We're on Berwyn Street, which is in Bowmanville. It's a great neighborhood right up here between Lincoln Square and Andersonville. And these single-family homes, generally new homes like this, they've been selling as soon as they're complete. This one's about 4,100 square feet, and you've got 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms upstairs, 2 more bedrooms on the lower level. Have a rooftop deck above the garage, so it's a great house. It's all done with hardy board, and if you come over and take a look here. Okay, so there's the rendering. That's what it looks like.
Perfect. So, Roger, what do you expect these homes to fetch?
This house is going to be listed at $1,465,000.
Get a little flavor of the neighborhood here. Here's a house that was built, what, a year ago or so?
This one sold in January or February, and it's 2 doors down. And this one sold for $1,395,000. They finished the house, put model furniture into it, and the first weekend they opened up on a Saturday, and the house was sold. So they took all their model furniture back out.
This is kind of the sense of what a Chicago neighborhood looks like. These lots are 25 feet by 125. Is that the standard lot size
These
here in
are
Chicago?
Standard size lots. They're 25 by 125.
So it's a narrow lot, but you can get quite a bit of house in there. 4,100 square feet. Is that what?
This one we're doing is 4,100 square feet. Yeah, and these are standard Chicago lots, 25 feet. There are some lots that are 30 feet. They're a little bit wider, and those houses you build on those are premium houses. They're a bit bigger and a little higher price point.
Yeah, these are kind of the flavor of the neighborhood here in Chicago. We have no cookie cutter designs here in Chicago. We have a variety of different houses, different vintages, different design styles, spanning over 100 years in some cases. A lot of rehabs, a lot of renos, a lot of new construction. Beautiful homes here over time, and that's why we like the city, and that's why the prices are fetching what they're fetching these days. So here we're at the rear of the building. You can see the hardy board white siding and the black vinyl windows here. Entering through the rear, there's a 2-story space. That stair goes up to the main level. 10-foot high ceilings, you can see there. Fireplace to the right. And then there's a short staircase down to the lower basement there with 9-foot ceilings. Again, 4,100 square feet total for the house. Second floor, here's an example of one of the bedrooms here. Large vaulted ceiling. Spray foam insulation in the walls. This place is airtight. You can see large windows facing the rear of the property. There'll be a bathroom there. For this room, there's a closet there over to the left. Walking toward the main bedroom at the front of the building. Here's a sample floor plan on the wall. So just beyond this room here, you see the vaulted ceiling there above the staircase. That leads down to the lower level. See it down there. Here is the lower level. So large floor-to-ceiling glass windows there. Again, 10-foot high ceilings, wood trusses above. Here, a little storage space here at the bottom of the stairs. That top of that staircase has a large skylight. And then walking toward the rear here, that'll be the dining room there and the 2-story space in the rear. This is an example of the types of homes being built in Chicago. Please contact me to learn more.